guys, welcome back to another banger video. Alright, this video is a mystery box. If you can tell by the thumbnail in the video description of this video, it's a mystery box that I just ordered off of Wish, and I am so excited. I just had like 3 cigarettes. I had to go pee a couple times. I'm nervous as hell, but I'm also excited because I'm interested in what to get in the box. And the UPS guy just left me a message, and he told me he's going to be here in the next couple minutes. So there's going to be a doorbell ring at my door, and then I'll bring it to my door, and then I'm going to come back, and then we're going to open this mystery box together. What the fuck is this? Back, I got this mystery box right here. Sounds pretty. It doesn't sound like anything breakable or anything, or it doesn't really stink like some other boxes did. There's a few items in here. I got this off the Wish program. You know, go to the app. You download the Wish app. That's where I got this box from. It just came today. There's my address scratched off on the top there. Nice little box. I don't know who wrote that on there. Mystery box, but that's been on there. Alright guys, see it's not open. This one I'm gonna cut into this. And we're gonna see what's in here together. I wonder what's in here. I paid $50 for this box, and I hope that there's $50 worth of items in this box. I hope I didn't get ripped off with a bunch of bullshit like other people did. Let's see what's in this box, guys. Fuck. Do not open. First thing I look at, and I flip the lid, there's a sign that says do not open. Is this? No, this one don't say anything. Nothing on the walls. Oh my god, guys. Look what I got. And look. There's a letter, too. We're gonna get to the letter in a minute. Oh, look at the mask. Oh my god. That's fucking scary as shit, man. That's trippy. So one what they do with the mask. We'll check that in a minute, guys. This letter. It says do not open. From your Wish. Alright guys. Let's see what's inside this box. This first item looks a little... What do I got here? A Rubik's Cube, man. I've always wanted a Rubik's Cube. I like these things. Comment below if you like Rubik's Cubes, because I love Rubik's Cubes. And I'll tell you a little secret. The best way to win is to take all the stickers off and then put them all the same color. And in year 1, you don't have to think nothing. That's why I love this shit so much. I'm just joking. Oh, let's see what else is in this bag, guys. Ooh. It's a watch. Did I get a... No, I got a charger with it. Let's see if it turns on. It turns on. What are these watches called? Comment below, tell me what these watches are called. And I think that's it for that bag, bye. I got some other things in here. Look at this bag. Looks like fucking spit up someone's ass. Guys, They're Pokemon cards. I wonder if there are any good ones in here. I don't know. Does anyone know how to tell if anyone's good or not? Is there a certain way to tell or not? I'll put this aside and I'll wait for someone to let me know. Comment below how to tell if these are good or not, or which ones are worth money. Watch this, guys. We got this mask. We got this scary mask. I think Halloween's over, guys, now, but it's pretty cool. If you'd like to see me do a video with this mask, comment below. Tell me what you would like to see, you'd like to see me do, or pranks or something with someone. Let me know in a comment below what you think about this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share my videos with your friends, family. Help the brother out. Drop a like for this video if you enjoyed it. Oh, and by the way, guys, to let you know too, that this mask is pretty scary. So drop a like. I got one more thing, guys, and this thing looks pretty damn freaking cool, man. It looks really, really cool. I'm really excited. I know what this is. And it comes with remote control. It's one of those LCD 12-volt automatic flexible strip lights. And this one's 10 meters long. And this is about $20. So I think I got value of my box here. I told you my value of my box. And I got it from the Wish program, and I didn't get ripped off, but I got this scary note in the front right here. Do not open. I know it's backwards what you guys are seeing, but to me it says do not open, and that was pretty fucking trippy. Why would someone write on a box do not open on a mystery box? So that's what this is, right? It says right there, mystery box. And I showed you I just got it at the door from UPS, and I waited for about a week and all that, and it didn't smell pretty bad or anything. It smelled pretty good, and the items were pretty cool. So, yeah. Guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to leave down below my previous video that I did before, so go check that out. Smash the like button there. Share it with your family and friends. I can't say it enough. Please subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Get the word out about my channel. My channel is brand new. Help the brother out. I love you all. Don't forget, live a little. It gives a lot. Peace. Were those lights that I showed you? Well, I put them up. Tell me what you think. I think they're pretty damn cool. See, they do different patterns, different things. Don't forget to check out my channel. See you again, guys, in the next one.